Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear viewers, inshallah in this video you are going to learn the Holy Quran para 1 Surah Al-Baqarah ayat number 126 with the rules of Tajweed and Qiraat. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذ قال إبراهيم رب اجعل هذا بلدا آمنا وارزق أهله من الثمرات من آمن منهم بالله واليوم الآخر قال ومن كفر فأمتعه قليلا ثم أضطره إلى عذاب النار وبئس المصير. Look at the word وَإِذْ قَالَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ. Pronounce dal without whistle sound and pronounce qaf with thicker voice because qaf is a mustaliya letter. Do qalqala in ba because ba is a qalqala letter. Rabbij'al. Pronounce ba with emphasis because ba is a qalqala letter but it is mushaddad in this word, so you have to pronounce it with emphasis. Also do qalqala in jim. Hadha baladan. Pronounce dal without whistle sound. Aminan warzuq. You can see waw after two zabar after tanween. Waw is a yarmaloon letter. The rule idgham will be done and gunna will be done in tanween. Gunna means taking the sound into the nose. Ahlahu. Stretch ulta pesh on ha. Minathamarati. Pronounce ra with thicker voice because it has khada zabar on it. Man amana minhum. You can see ba after mim sakin. In the word minhum, there is ba after mim sakin. The rule ikhfa shafbi will be done and gunna will be done in mim sakin. Billahi. Pronounce the lam of Allah's name with thin voice because there is zir before it. Wal yawmil akhir. Stretch khada zabar on hamza. Qala wa man kafara. You can see kaf after noon sakin. Kaf is an ikhfa letter. The rule ikhfa will be done and gunna will be done in noon sakin. Fa umatti'uhu. Pronounce ain from the middle part of your throat and stretch ulta pesh on ha. Qalilan thumma. You can see tha after tanween after two zabar. Tha is pronounced. Tha is an ikhfa letter. The rule ikhfa will be done and gunna will be done in tanween, and you have to do gunna also in mim mushaddad because mim mushaddad is always pronounced with gunna. Adtarruhu. Pronounce dod and ta with thicker voice because they are from mustaliya letters. Ila adhabin nar. Stretch khada zabar on lam and stretch alif madda after dal. And also do gunna in noon mushaddad because noon mushaddad is also pronounced with gunna. Wabi'sal maswir. Pronounce hamza sakin with sudden pause and stretch madde ariz at the end of this word. Madde ariz is done when a temporary sukoon comes after any madda letter. Ra has temporary sukoon on it in this word, and this temporary sukoon is coming after ya madda, so madde ariz will be done. Inshallah al Kareem, in the next video you will learn next ayat of Surah Al-Baqarah.